Hi guys, welcome back. Autumn is here and it's the perfect time to refresh your space and prepare for the season ahead. Today I'll show you how to declutter, organize, and create a cozy, inviting home for the autumn season. First, let's tackle the living room. Remove any clutter from summer, think extra beach gear or outdoor accessories. Dust off surfaces, rearrange your space, and make room for cozy autumn decor like candles, blankets, and even themed pillows. Next, let's head to the closets or wardrobes. Autumn means making room for for jumpers, jackets, and boots. Pack away summer clothes in storage bins and make space for these warmer layers. The kitchen is another area that often gets overlooked. Clear off the countertops, put away any summer-themed items, and make space for those cozy autumn recipes. Now that we've decluttered, it's time to make our space cozy and inviting. Swap out lighter decor for heavier textures like knitted blankets, soft pillows, and warm lighting. With your home decluttered and refreshed, you're all set to enjoy the cozy season ahead. Thanks for watching and happy autumn cleaning.